Hi, my name's Grant and I'm the head of design here at Dobell. Today we're going to run through how to measure yourself correctly for a suit jacket, taking 3 key measurements: your chest, the jacket length and the sleeve length. For best results, you'll need a soft tape measure like this, and ideally someone to help you, as measuring yourself can lead to small inaccuracies in your measurements that will really affect the fit of your suit. The first measurement we're going to take, and probably the most important measurement to get right when measuring yourself for a suit jacket, is the chest measurement. The way you take this measurement is you wrap the tape measure around the fullest part of the chest, underneath the armpits, across the back, running over the shoulder blades and back round to the chest, making sure that the tape measure is pulled tight but not restrictive, and making sure that it runs parallel to the ground to get an accurate measurement. The next measurement we're going to take is the centre back length, or the length of the jacket and where it will sit on the body. The way we do this is we locate just underneath the collar seam, and then we take the tape measure from there straight down the back, past the seat to the desired length you want the jacket to be. The next measurement we're going to take is the sleeve length measurement. The way we do this is we locate where the end of the shoulder is, along the sleeve head seam there, with a slight bend at the elbow to make sure that the jacket doesn't ride up too high when you bend your arm. We take the tape measure straight down to where the elbow is, and then along the outside of the arm to just below the wrist bone. And that's how you take the sleeve length measurement. 3 simple measurements: chest, jacket length and sleeve length. Getting these right will make all the difference when measuring yourself for a suit jacket.